Hello everyone, my name is Martin Spears and today I am going to be covering how to make an efficient solar system. So what does that mean? What do I mean by that? What I mean by that is where do we place the solar panels on a rooftop? That simply. Not only where do we place them, but where to best place panels on the rooftop. So when you're looking at a proposal, always know that the top of the page is always north. The bottom of the page is south, the left side of the page is west, and then the right side of the page is east. Something else to remember is that the sun rises in the east and it sets in the west. Therefore, the max amount of sunlight that any roof in North America is going to receive is going to be in the southern part of the roof. Very best place to put the panels are in the southern part of the roof. So the number one place is the south. Number two is the west. Number three is the east. And last and least is the north. To recap, best place for panels are the south. Second best place is west. Third best place is east. And then last and least is in the north. Unless you absolutely have to place panels on the north, which we do quite often. If we're trying to get people or people's homes at 100% offset, then we go to the north. So this is in theory pretty cool, but now we're actually going to be doing it in practicality, in an actual proposal. Take a close look at your solar offset on the top right hand corner and how the number of panels on any particular place on the roof affect the offset. We're going to be starting with the southern part. We're going to be placing 5 panels on the southern part, and notice the offset is at 22%. Now we're going to be taking these same panels and placing them on the north side of the roof. Now we're at 14%. Huge difference, and that makes a big difference in the amount of energy that home is going to be able to produce, right? So now we're going to be comparing west to east. We're going to be placing these same panels on the west side of a roof, and notice the offset, 19% offset. We're going to be taking these panels and we're going to be placing these panels on the east side of the roof, and now notice the offset, 18% offset. So what does that mean? It means, just like I said in theory, and now it's in practicality, that the best placement for the panels are in the south, then the west, then the east, and then last and least are the panels will be in the north side of the home. So that concludes this part of the training. Hopefully you all got a lot out of it, and have a great day.